Yep. Hey! Right there! I don't know. Yep, she's after him. She's way over there. Hey! She's going after him. She's going to kick him back up again. Yeah, I saw him on the edge, and by the time I saw him, she was on him. She went straight this way towards the house, right where the pheasant landed. Oh yeah. You see where it starts to get thick there again after the opening? That's where she went into. There, she kicked him up. No, there she is, right there. She's kicking. That's another bird. Yep. That one's going across the road.
Yeah, that one. Oh yeah, right there.
Get over here!
Yeah, that one went across the road.
Come here! Hey! Come here! I know you want him, but you can't screw it all up.
Nope. A lot of good your shock collar did. Yeah, that's where he came out of. Come here, Benelli. Here. Not a lot of cover over here. Here. Find him. Find that bird. Where is he? Find him. That's where they said they were going to place him. Did you run by him? Man, low. Low. Dad shot that one. Dad. Well, we're walking past a whole bunch of stuff here. Benelli! Here! Benelli! Here! Benelli! Come! Benelli, come here! Could not shoot. Yeah. Thank you. Bring him here, Benelli. Bring him here. Bring him here, Benelli. Here. Here. Hey, here. Hey, right here. Bring him here. Benelli. Bring him here. Hey. Bring him here. Here. Hey. Here. 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 All right. He's hit. Go down, you little shit. Go down! That's the first one we kicked up. Watch that one, Mom. How did you still only nick him?
Oh my God, oh my God, I hope you got that on film.
I think so.
Oh, I love her.
It's a gun jab. Oh, so look, there he is. He's shot in the head.
He was shot in the head?
Yeah. he's
Wow.
shot in the head. He's pretty good yet.
And you nicked.
Yeah, I'm gonna get that sucker.
Let me see if